Ad-Darsul Ishuruna. Okay, chapter 20. Now here it's dealing with muannas mostly. Okay. Now in the chapter 19, you have dealt mostly the ma'dud, where all the ma'dud that were coming in chapter 19, they were all muzakkar. So the adad that you were using was muannas. Now in chapter 20, the ma'dud is muannas. So adad has to be muzakkar. Okay, the adad has to be muzakkar. That's how it works in Arabic language. Layla. So Layla says, Ya Salma, O Salma, afi fasliki طالبات من الصين واليابان. In your class, is in your class students from China and Japan, or does your class have students from China and Japan? Salma says, Naam, yes. Fi faslina. Fi will make this as fasli. Fi faslina khamsu talibatin. This is the thing to be noted here. Now, this is muzakkar because we are dealing with now female students. Yes, in our class are 5 female students. Khamsu. Adad will be muzakkar. Khamsu talibatin min as-Sini, from China. وأربعو, no more أربعة, no more أربعة. وأربعو طالبات من اليابان, and 4 students from female students from Japan. وثماني, again not ثمانية, وثماني طالبات من Indonesia, and 8 students, female students from Indonesia. Layla says, وفي فصلنا 3 طالبات من الهند, and in our class are 3 students from India. Okay, all these are using again mudaf ilayh relationship, and mudaf is muzakkar, adad is muzakkar. Why? Because ma'dud is muannas. Okay, that's important. So in our class are 3 students from India. وَسِتُّ طَالِبَاتٍ مِنَ الْفِلِبِّينِ, and 6 students are from Philippines. وَسَبْعُ طَالِبَاتٍ مِنَ الْكُوَيْتِ, and 7 students from Kuwait. Okay. Salma. Kam ukhtan laki ya Layla. How many sisters do you have, O Layla? Layla says, Li thalathu akhawatin. Now again, she's dealing with sisters. So again, this is muzakkar. Li thalathu akhawatin. I have 3 sisters. Salma, wa kam akhan laki. And how many brothers do you have? Now Layla says, Li khamsatu. Now khamsatu. Why? Because we are dealing with muzakkar ma'dud. Li khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers. Okay, I have 5 brothers. Salma. Laki thalathu akhawatin wa khamsatu ikhwatin. See here, it's very clear here. You have 3 sisters. Thalathu, it is muzakkar, adad, and akhawatin, sisters, is muannas. Wa khamsatu, it is muannas adad. Ikhwatin is brothers, it is muzakkar. So you have 3 sisters and 5 brothers. Layla, naam, yes. Wakam akhan wa ukhtan laki. She says, Layla says, yes. And how many brothers and how many sisters do you have? Salma says, Li arba'atu ikhwatin wa arba'u akhawatin. So she says, I have 4 brothers. Arba'atu for ikhwatin. That's why. I have 4 brothers and arba'u because we are dealing with sisters and 4 sisters. Okay. Layla. Li zamilatun. I have a colleague. Okay. Li zamilatun. Ismuha Khadijatu. I have a colleague. Her name is Khadija. Okay. So you can treat this whole thing as one jumla. لي زميلة. لي متعلق بالخبر مقدم. زميلة is مبتدا. I have a colleague. Now this is another jumla. اسمها خديجة. Her name is Khadija. اسمها is مبتدا container. خديجة is خبر. لها 8 إخوة. She has 8 brothers. وثماني أخوات and 8 sisters. Notice the difference, brothers and sisters. Here they have used both ma'dud, muzakkar and muannas. So you know the difference. So with this practice, if you read this chapter again, after you finish with me, you do multiple time reading, multiple times you read this chapter. So this confusion will go. You know, last time some sisters were saying, oh, there's some confusion because why this muzakkar is referred as when there is muzakkar ma'dud, then it has to be muannas adad. So all this confusion was there. Can you hold on a minute? I am receiving a call. Just a minute, just hold on. So brothers and sisters, I think we finished this initial part of this. Sorry for this disturbance. I have received some urgent call and I have to go somewhere. And this exercise, inshallah, we will do it next Wednesday. I will finish the class earlier today. Okay, inshallah, see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.